Hey, what's going on, everybody? Thanks for coming by and checking out our video. So my video right now is because I saw my brother just posted a video of his EDC, his everyday carry, a pocket dump. So I figured, what the heck? You seen what he's got, what he's carrying. Now you're gonna see what I carry. So mine's a little bit more minimalistic. I don't carry that much. Well, I do, but not like him. I mean, he had a pile of goodness on that table. But so my EDC, I'm going to start with just some of the basics. Um, I know everybody is always needing something to work on something, screwdrivers or whatnot. He had a nice, I think it was a Leatherman. Yeah, mine's the Gerber dime. This little guy here is just, that's it. I call it the dime for a reason. So it is a 12-in-1. So this does have 12 tools on it. It has tweezers, screwdrivers, knives, a little bottle opener on the end here. So I do put this in my coin pocket. You know, most pants have a little coin pocket up there. That little Gerber dime, she just sits right there perfectly. So item number one. I do carry a knife as well. Mine is a staccato. It's their, I want to call it a ProTech Malibu. And very nice. The reason I carry this is it goes with this. So this is my staccato CS that I carry daily. What's kind of cool is the knife actually has the same kind of scallops that the slide does on my staccato. So, but I do carry this appendix carry in a Tier 1 concealed holster with a sidecar for that extra mag. So I carry this too, so that gives me 31 rounds total capacity, between 15 and 1 in the chamber and then another 15 in that extra magazine. So that is that. I do also carry a light. Not like his though. His was actually pretty cool. So this is my loop gear. It's the SKO3. This thing will blind you. Also has the strobe function. Has a neat little feature. If you hold down and let go, it gives you this little blue illuminator. This is actually just a plastic cover that comes off, and they give you a couple of different extra colors. You can go red, amber, smoke, or blue. And then if you hold down in that mode and you let go, it'll actually put it into like a flash mode. Hold down again, it comes out of flash mode in the lower brightness setting. And if you hold down again and let go, it comes back on the bright mode. So it has this metal magnetic arm, so you could attach it to something metal. So it just magnetically attaches to anything metal, which is kind of cool. And then that gives you this little thing here where if you turn this little dial here, it's off my screen there, this little dial here, this will then push up and it pops out a little like bottle opener. You could probably sharpen, put an edge on that too if you wanted. So, or use it as a weapon. You had to claw something. So that is the Loop Gear SKO3. That's typically in my pocket, my right pocket, with accompanying my knuckle. Well, there's two, so it's a knuckles. That's in my right pocket. So this is more of a, don't want to use this. I don't have the mace or the pepper spray that my brother has, so if I have to get dirty, it's going to be these first. And then if something comes out if anything comes out that's life-threatening, you pull a knife, you pull something stupid, then the staccato is going to give you a little surprise. I have the exact same wallet, the Ridge wallet, with the cash strap. Oh, that's my wallet. And then on my keys, something he didn't have, I do actually have a knife sharpener. You got to keep that edge sharp. It'll let you do put a new edge on it, and then you can fine it down from there. And then it has a little pop out guy here on the side. So if you have a blade that's got serrations, you can actually use this to sharpen up those serrations. I do have a little container for holding items. I do have another flashlight on here. This is an O-light, very bright little O-light. I like O-light. They're a good company. They make good flashlights. This is everyone needs this. You do this all the time. I mean, who doesn't want a pair of clippers on your keychain and a file? You know, if you want to file something down. I can't tell you how many times I do something where I got my nail hanging off because I snagged it on something and I wished I had this in my pocket. So now I do have that in my pocket. The next thing on my key ring is this little guy here. It says it's made in the USA. It's the tweezers with pinpoint precision from Uncle Bill's Silver Gripper. Sliver. Uncle Bill's Sliver Gripper. So when you pinch this little guy comes out, and then you get yourself a little pair of tweezers. You know you need those too. And that just goes right back on there like so. So that's my keys. And you know what? That is it. That is all I carry in my pockets. So again, it's not as much, but again, it's enough. It's what I need. So I used to carry more. I used to have on my keys a big bundle of stuff. It was like probably 2-3 times the size my keys are now, but I've kind of condensed it. You know what really helped was this little guy here, the Gerber dime. So, but that's my stuff, and I'm sticking to it.